Now let's continue with our connect method. First, we're going to check if this conDB. Now, as you can remember, when we were using static properties, we were using self, : and $, then name of the parameter, which means the entire parameter name. Now, when we're using this with the regular properties and methods, we drop the $, basically. So this conDB equals MySQL connect. We pass in the first parameter as this underscore host. As you may remember here, we've created all these values, underscore host. Then comma, next parameter was this underscore user. And the last one will be this underscore password. So we are assigning the result of this MySQL connect function to this conDB parameter. So our connection will be stored within this specific parameter. Now we checked if this underscore conDB with the exclamation mark at the beginning, checking if it's true, if it's been executed successfully, if this function has been executed successfully, and if we have the connection. Obviously exclamation mark if we, which is the opposite, which obviously if we didn't manage to get a connection right, then die and display the error database connection failed. brtag double quote dot to concatenate and MySQL display MySQL error. Okay, if we scroll down a little bit. Now, otherwise, if it's been successful, then select variable MySQL select DB, and we're going to select our database. So this underscore name of our database, and we pass our connection screen, which is this underscore conDB. And now we check if our select variable has been successful, if we successfully selected database. So similar situation as the one above. So if exclamation mark if it wasn't, so if we didn't manage to select the database, then die with the information database selection failed, colon, new line, double quote dot, and MySQL error to inform us what kind of problem has occurred. So that's nearly everything. Now, after all these if statements, all these conditions, we simply set the character set to make sure that all our inquiries, everything goes through the using UTF character set coding. So MySQL set har set, and in between double O single quotes UTF 8 and connection string, our connection string, this conDB MySQL set character set. Yeah, it's all fine. So our connect method is now finished. Let's move to the next video and create a few other methods of our DBase class.